dancers, welcome to another tutorial. Today I hope that you have just 7 minutes to practice with me. I know that sometimes motivating yourself to practice or knowing what to practice can be the most difficult part of our dance structure and our routine, and trying to improve, trying to incorporate new things into our vocabulary. So I thought just an easy follow along practice loop would be really fun. So I hope you'll join me. This is to the song Miserlou by Safar, and you can find their music at Bandcamp. The link is in the description box, and let's just jump right into it. Here we go. Let's just bring the arms up. Back up a little bit there. We're going to bring the arms down, spiraling the wrists, and up one more time. Let's open to second. Going into a snake arm. Nice and slow. A little faster. Shoulders are down. Let's turn it into a body sway. A little faster. 2 counts. Position. Let's lift the chest and drop. I'll turn to the side for you. Up and down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Let's go 2 seconds. Side, slide, slide, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze through your glutes. Press the heels into the floor to isolate the upper body. We're going to turn it into a circle. Here we go. Up, side, down, side, and smooth that out. Nice and slow. Don't rush the music. This is very slow. Up, side, down. Let's reverse, breaking it down. Up, side, down, side, and smooth. 3, 5, 7. Again, feel all the muscles working. Let's reverse. Going 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Make sure your shoulders stay down. And nice and even through the ribs. Let's reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. I know the arms are getting fatigued, but hang in there. We'll give them a break in a second. Very good. One more. 5, 6, 7. Let's just take a quick little stretch up. Dive it down. Shake the arms while you're there. Bend the knees, drop the tailbone, rolling up. Roll the shoulders back. Very good. Now let's go into the hips. Second position, just slide into the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really stretch the oblique. Notice that when I'm going slow like this, my opposite heel comes up to help keep my hips parallel. Now let's smooth this out. We're going to turn it into a circle, so press forward, pull back. Tailbone stays elongated, don't release it to the back. All right, here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 7. Again, really slow. Forward, side, back. Let's double the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feet are pressing solidly into the floor. Reverse it slowly. 1, 3, back and side. Forward, side, back, side. Double it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And forward, side, back, side. Very good. we go, last time. Bring the arms down, shake it out a little bit. Let's go into a figure eight, going twist, around. Twist, press to the corner, twist back. Corner, back. Good. Let's speed up that tempo a little bit more. I'm going to go to a 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Well, this would be your left. Right, left, right. You can relax the arms whenever you need to. You want to build that strength, but we also don't want to have spaghetti noodles for arms tomorrow, right? All right, let's reverse that, starting slow. So twist, slide to the back corner, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward. This one you really have to think of pulling in. Use your core. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist it forward. Very good. I can't see you, but I know you're doing good. 7, 8, relax it. Give a little stretch. Forward and back. Very good. All right, let's go into first position now. Make sure your weight is in your heels, not your toes. First stationary movements to keep the knees nice and relaxed, okay? Now we're gonna lift up, 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 up. Now we're gonna tuck and release both hip bones. Tucking in from the low belly, tuck, release. Remember, we don't hike to the back, just tuck, relax, tuck, relax. Use your low abs, tuck, release. Last one. We're gonna put it all together, starting to the front. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Reverse. 1, 3, 5, 7. Oh, we're out of music. All right. And relax it down. Big stretch over and over. All right, awesome job. Sometimes our life gets so busy, we don't have time for a huge, long practice. And that creates this sort of resistance and dread surrounding practice. We feel guilty because, oh, I didn't practice yesterday. Oh, I didn't practice for 2 days. I didn't practice for a week or a month. And you know what? It doesn't matter. Come to it when you can, when you have the energy, when you have the time. But remember, this was a 7-minute drill, but if you have 5 minutes, if you do practice for 5 minutes a day, every single day, that adds up to more than an hour a week. And because of the consistency and frequency of your practice, you're going to improve faster than if you practice for a solid hour once a week. And the truth is, finding an hour a week can be difficult, especially if you're just doing this as a hobby. If you work, you have children. So just remember that you don't have to slave away and practice for an hour at a time. Just squeeze in 5 minutes. And a lot of times if you squeeze in those 5 minutes and you get started, you'll actually dance for longer than 5 minutes anyway. So set reasonable, small goals that you know that you can attain, and that is the fast track to improvement. So I hope that this video helps. If you want more videos like this, please comment and let me know. Otherwise, I'm just guessing. So anyways, have a great day, have a great evening wherever you are. I'll see you in my next tutorial, and bye!